Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a top tether car seat. The top tether is a vital safety feature, often overlooked, that provides an extra layer of protection for your child. It's a strap located at the top of your car seat that connects to a dedicated anchor point in your vehicle. This connection is essential for forward-facing car seats, as it dramatically reduces the car seat's forward movement during a sudden stop or collision, keeping your little one safer. First, you need to find the top tether anchor point in your vehicle. These anchors are specifically designed to secure the top tether strap. They are commonly located on the back of the vehicle's seat, on the parcel shelf behind the rear seats, or sometimes on the floor of the cargo area. Always look for the distinct circular symbol with an anchor icon. If you're unsure, your vehicle's owner's manual will provide precise instructions and diagrams for your specific model. Once you've found the anchor, it's time to attach the top tether. Carefully route the tether strap over the top of the vehicle's seat, making sure it's not twisted or caught on anything. Then, firmly attach the tether hook to the designated anchor point. You should hear a click or feel it lock into place. After attaching, pull the loose end of the strap to tighten it, removing all slack. The strap should be snug, holding the car seat firmly against the vehicle seat back. Finally, perform a crucial security check. Grasp the car seat at the belt path and try to move it side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch in any direction. This is often called the inch test. A properly installed car seat with the top tether secured will feel very stable. Remember to recheck the tether tension periodically, especially after long trips or if the car seat has been removed. Your child's safety depends on a correct installation every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.